Now you can earn $4,730 every day just by downloading images from Google and uploading into another website online. Many people are using this free system to make money online. You too can make lots of money from this system. You will be making thousands of dollars in this system from the comfort of your home. You don't need any investment to get started. All you need is a mobile phone. Then you just download a simple free image, and you will then upload the free image. After that, you will adjust and display the image, and boom! You have made $26.99. It is as easy as that. This is a very easy and free way of making money that will take you just 3 minutes to set up and years to continue earning from the same system. If you want to make fast money to buy the fancy things of life, then you have come to the right place. Here, you will be able to make money online and afford those things you want in life using those system of making money online. Before we get started with this system of making money, I will like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will keep getting access to more videos on this channel. You can as well hit the like button if you find value in this video. Now, the first thing you will need to do is go to Google search and type in your hobby or interest. For example, in this video, my hobby is sports. I will type in sports in the search bar. This will reveal all the content on sports that will interest me. You can then select images to narrow the search to reflect only images of sports. Now, as you can see here, these are beautiful images of sports that will interest you and make you some cool cash in this online system of making money. Images of football, tennis, cycling, different sports, all here. What you will need to do is just to pick the image of sport you want from all that is displayed in this page. One of these images will make you $26.99 a piece, and you will be able to earn up to $4,730 in one day, if you follow the step I will outline for you in this video. Now, some of the images shown on this page are copyright protected. We may not be able to use them to make money without permission. In order to use any of these images, we must first check the type of license it carries, whether we are allowed to use them or modify and use them for commercial purpose. The first thing you need to do to check it is to click on the setting knob at the top right corner here. This page will then open up the quick settings here. You will now need to scroll down to advanced settings and click. Then scroll down to usage rights and then select Creative Commons licenses. Then click on Advanced Search. The system will select only images for Creative Commons licenses that you can be able to use to make money online using this unique system. The next thing is to select something like this and save to your computer for use in the system. If you have saved the number of photos you want, then the next step is to get to where you will use this image to make money. You should get back to the Google search and type in Teespring. You should then select this first one from the results, teespring.com. Here at their homepage, you will see that they are a platform for creating and selling products that engage fans and helps monetize your content. Wait, you may want to say, I am not a celebrity or an artiste, how do I get fans? The system I will be showing you does not require you to be a celebrity. Anybody can sue this system to make lots of money from this website. What you will be doing on this website is to design a household product or clothing using the image you download. It is a simple process of download and upload. In this video, we will be designing a t-shirt using the image we downloaded. The first thing you will need to do is to come here, where it says, Want to create and sell your own products. Then you will click on Start Creating. You will be redirected to this page, where you will fill in your details and get registered on Teespring. You will type in your name or brand name, your email, then your password, and confirm your password. Tick, I am not a robot. Then click on Sign Up. You will be taken to this page, where you will get started with setting up your online store. You can name your store whatever you like. Like in this case, I will name my store, Sporty. Then, next you will click on Continue. You will be taken to this page, where you will select the product you want to create, using your downloaded image. As you can see here, there are different types of t-shirts that you can edit and design. They are all beautiful t-shirts that you can design using your image, and it will earn you lots of money doing so. Let me select from this trending products. This premium t-shirt, clicking here, will reveal this design platform. All I will do now is to click Add Image. I will then select the image I downloaded, and it will be uploaded onto the design plane of the t-shirt. As you can see here, the expected price for the t-shirt is $26.99 in the US and £31.99 in the EU. You will be making a profit of $10.94 per sale. Now, this is another design with a different image. This is yet another design with a different image I download. After the design, you will be able to preview it. If it is okay for you, you will then click Continue, and the process of the design and display will be done for you. At the end of everything, your product will be displayed like all these products, and when people search the website for such products, your design will be seen like all these designs, and you will be able to make sales and earn money. Ciao.